As you saw the shots, I'm really happy about this acquisition, about this lens. This is a really cool lens. I really love it. And now it's working perfectly. So as you can see it here, the adapter is just fits as it should be. And I'm working on putting on it in the front on ND filter, because as you saw today, I was outside and even at 16 stops, still it was too bright, way too bright. So I have to find, and I'm working some of it-yourself stuff like this. So now I can put an ND filter on it, and I will test it. I will continue to use it. And as you saw it in the intro, there are multiple ways that we can use this lens. I mean, being ultra wide and having the infinity focus working, then yes, it gives us a lot of options. And I will continue to use this lens. I really love because it's small and because of the autofocus, it's working. Now, I did find out what was the problem with this lens. Firstly is the aperture. So at maximum aperture at 1.8 is just not working. There's chromatic aberration. So we have to stop down, like starting from 2.8. It is working, it is sharp, it's nice. In order to do that, we need an ND filter, a variable ND filter. Although these C-mount adapters are, they are saying that it fits for every CCTV lens. In reality, the reality is that we just have to modify it. Sometimes it is working, sometimes it is not working. And with this lens is the same thing. So if I'm screwing in completely, the infinity focus is not working. So when I'm screwing in the maximum, the autofocus is just not working. But if I'm unscrewing a little bit, then it's fine. It's working perfectly. So yeah, I'm starting to love this lens, and I will try out with the ND filter. Let me know what you think about the few shots that I did. And if you are not yet subscribed on this YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit up the thumbs up button. And yeah, see you next time.